Good afternoon, it's Alex from Liftoff and Travel, and today I'm so excited for this one. I'm staying at the Conrad in Manila.
Conrad Manila is next to the bay and a short walk from the Mall of Asia, which offers lots of shopping and endless restaurants. The property is part of the Hilton group, and as you can see from the architecture, it certainly is a 5-star property. After arriving the same day on Cathay Pacific with a flight from Hong Kong, it's 30 minutes Uber ride from Manila Airport Terminal 3. When you enter the downstairs lobby, you are met by this wonderful hanging sculpture before taking a lift up to reception. What a wonderful space. The sheer size is incredible and screams luxury. I love how the focal point is on these 4-metre high glass panels looking out over the water. Today I'm going to check in downstairs because I don't know any better, but what has really made my day is because I have Hilton Gold status, I've been upgraded to a Bayview King Delux room. This also means that I could have checked in upstairs at the lounge. Unlike a dating profile, that when you meet them in reality you think, Photoshop, this room is absolutely stunning as the photos that are online. I absolutely love the design, the use of soft whites, darker grey tones, and the lowered ceilings. After a long day out in the humid weather, this is a relaxing, modern, and beautiful space to unwind in. And I didn't even know this was the start of many good things to come. And the bathroom is the same. Frosted glass, beautiful stone on the walls, and subtle lighting. It really is the little touches that make this hotel feel so lavish, and the view reveal will make any big kid smile. I promise we will go explore the pool and facilities later, but first, I'm getting hungry, and there is no better place than the hotel lounge, which can be found on the 6th floor. You could easily ask yourself, in a country like the Philippines, where they have amazing dishes like adobo, why would anyone want to eat in the lounge? And the real answer is convenience. My gold status with Hilton gives me complimentary lounge access. But for business travellers who work hard all day, or for those who just come halfway across the world like we have, it's an easy way to find food. Besides the really tasty small bites and the view, those little touches make their way into the lounge. And after feeding my soul, it's time to check out the rest of the hotel.
So it's quite a change out here. Air conditioning inside, outside. It's warm and humid, but it's lovely. So let's check out the pool.
If you thought it looked good from above, wait until you see it in person. You just need to bear in mind that unfortunately, just as I wanted to film, it decided to rain, and sadly I didn't get any sun until I checked out the next day. Still impressive though, even with the cloud. The life of a traveller is exhausting, but over the 2 days in Manila I will make every effort to try and use the gym, jet lag depending. Then I'm flying out with Singapore Airlines to Jakarta for the first time. I can't wait.
So it's a pretty well stocked gym. I'd be happy to work out there. Obviously with the treadmill as well, you get a nice view of the pool.
Tonight I'm meeting an old friend and a fellow traveller for dinner, and I'll see you in the morning for breakfast. Just before that though, last night had a few surprises. Not only had they performed a turn down service, but when I got back from dinner, this cute little blue moo cow was sitting on the bed, and the chocolate and the biscuits. I'm truly touched by this.
Good morning, what a great sleep that was. And now, I'm off to breakfast.
When I checked in as a gold member, I was asked, do you want the breakfast or the points? After consulting the lovely check-in staff, I was assured that I would be impressed. Now, I want to impress upon you guys how amazing the selection was. If you stay here, please have the breakfast.
I'm so impressed. I've not seen that quality or that range since the Four Seasons in Kuala Lumpur or the St. Regis in Langkawi. If you want to see the breakfast for those videos, they're on our YouTube channel. I'll post them on the end.
Sadly, that's the end of my stay, and I would absolutely love to come back to the Conrad. If you haven't already, please subscribe and like below, and you'll be the first to know about our upcoming stays at the Hilton Manila Airport and the beautifully stunning Hyatt in Jakarta.
So guys, that was my stay at the Conrad Manila. What an amazing hotel. I cannot tell you how good a stay it was and how nice a hotel it was either.